Hello friends, I am from Biology faculty of QLS Academy. Today we are going to learn about transportation in animals via excretory system. I am sure you will enjoy learning today's lesson. Let's start with our lesson. In previous lesson we learned about how circulatory system helps in the transportation of gases and nutrients in the body. Now recall how carbon dioxide is removed as waste from body through the lungs during exhalation. Also recall that the undigested food is removed during digestion. Now let us find out how other waste materials are removed from our body. You may wonder where these unwanted materials come from. जितना भी waste है वो आता कहाँ से हमारी body में. When our cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released. These are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. Now the process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organism is called as excretion. The parts involved in excretion forms the excretory system. Now what are the functions of excretory system? Now excretion helps in eliminating different types of waste. जितना भी waste होता है हमारी body में वो through excretion expelled out होता है. Nitrogenous waste are the waste formed in the body as a result of protein metabolism. These can be in the form of ammonia, urea or uric acid. All these nitrogenous wastes should be eliminated from the body due to their toxic nature. Nitrogenous waste mixed with water in the body to form urine. Now urine is expelled out in periodic intervals. Excess sugar from the blood is filtered and sent out through urine in case of diabetic patients. Diabetic patients के urine में excess sugar हमेशा excrete out होता है. Undigested waste are passed out through anus by the process of egestion. Carbon dioxide, an excretory product from every cell, is expelled out through lungs. Excess salt from the bodies are eliminated through sweat. हम sweat करते हैं तो sweat में हमेशा salt निकलता है. Now let's talk about excretion in lower animals. Lower animals like amoeba and paramecium hydra do not possess special organs for excretion. They eliminate waste product to the environment by the process of diffusion occurring through cell membrane. Now recall, उनके body में circulation भी through diffusion ही होता है. Excretory system in human beings. Now the excretory system in human beings includes a pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. This is also known as the urinary system. Now let's talk about kidneys. Now kidneys are located in the abdominal region, one on either side of the backbone. दो किडनी होती है वो हमारे दो बैकबोन के दोनों साइड में प्रेजेंट होती है. Kidneys mainly acts as excretory organs and also control the balance of water and minerals ion in the body. Kidneys filter out nitrogenous waste from the blood producing urine. They absorb minerals into the blood. They also produces hormone to some extent. Now kidney is divided into two regions, namely cortex and renal medulla. Kidney is made up of tiny tubules. छोटे छोटे ट्यूब से बनी है. These are called as nephrons. Nephrons are the functional units of the kidney. Each nephron consists of corpuscle and a renal tubule. It filters out excess water, salts and urea from the blood. Next is ureter. Ureters are tubular structures which arise from each kidney. दोनों किडनी में से एक एक ureter निकलेगा. Ureters open into the urinary bladder. Ureter urinary bladder में जाके मिलेगा, खुलेगा. Next is urinary bladder. Ureter आए, urinary bladder में जाके मिला. Urinary bladder is a muscular bag which has high elastic capacity to accumulate urine in it. Urinary bladder opens out to the exterior through an opening called as urethra. Now urethra. Urethra passes urine to outside of the body. Urethra emerges through the penis in males and closes to the vagina in females. Separate. Now urine is the liquid formed by the combination of urea with water. जब urea water से मिलेगा तब urine form होता है. Now a healthy human being passes out about 1.5 to 2.5 liters of urine every day. Now sometimes a person's kidney may stop working due to infection or injury. कई बार होता है कि कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है तो किडनीज फंक्शन करना बंद कर देती है या उनकी कैपेसिटी कम हो जाती है फंक्शन करने के लिए. As a result of kidney failure, waste product starts accumulating in the blood. अब इतना वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है, सारा वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट है. अगर वो हमारी बॉडी में एक्यूमुलेट जमा होना स्टार्ट होगा तो क्या होगा? These are all toxic in nature. Such person cannot survive unless their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney. Artificial kidney. Now what is artificial kidney? This process is called as dialysis. Dialysis, हम dialysis करते हैं थ्रू एक मशीन जहाँ पे ब्लड पास होता है, वही ब्लड मशीन में प्योरीफाई होकर वापस हमारी बॉडी में एंटर करता है. Aquatic animals like fishes excrete cell waste in gaseous form, that is ammonia, which directly dissolves in water. Some land animals like birds, lizards, snakes excrete a semi-solid white color compound, that is uric acid. Now, the major excreted product in human is urea. So students, this was all about how the waste generated in our body gets transported out of the body through the excretory system. I hope you enjoyed today's learning, and if you have any more doubts, you can go to the following link.